In this video we are going to see threading and synchronization in C#. So we are going to implement threading concept using banking application. So this is also the main function here. So we have initial amount in the account code, that is 2500, and that's it. We have a program class called program, and we have instantiated the class here, and we have a method called start threads, and this is not a banking method. So like we will be just initiating the threads for the each of the methods. We have the methods called check balance, deposit, and withdrawal. That's it. Now we're going to define threads for each method. So this is the mandatory namespace that has to be included using system.threading. This is the namespace, and this is the method called start threads. So here we have instantiated the thread class, and we have to pass the method reference into the thread. So the first thread T1 is pointed to the withdrawal method. So I have passed the function name here. So that's it. And second thread is T2, and I have passed the method name as deposit. And similarly, third method is check balance, and I have passed that one into the T3. And we have some properties called name for each thread, T1.name, and I have assigned the name as withdraw thread, deposit, and check balance threads. And after that, I am using the start method on each thread to call the thread. Fine. So first thread is withdrawal. Fine. Now we'll go to the withdraw method here. So using this monitor, we can actually perform the synchronization in threads. Like during the execution of one thread, there will be no provision for the other threads to intervene. So using this monitor dot enter, and we have to pass the current instance reference, that is this keyword, and we are printing statement called thread.current.name. This returns the currently executing name of the currently executing thread, and that is started. And also we have another property called thread.current.priority, that returns the priority of the thread, and we are reading the amount to be withdrawn from the user, that is greater than the initial amount. Then we are printing not enough cash, otherwise we are decrementing the amount by the balance and printing the balance as the amount. Now that is about the withdraw thread. Now coming to the deposit thread T2. Now the same thing, we are going to print the same stuff, and if the amount is greater than 50,000, only in that case we will not be depositing the amount into the account. So otherwise we will be incrementing the amount by the amount, and give a print statement here. And after that, that's it. Now this is again enclosing a monitor block. So this prevents other threads from intervening in the execution of this thread. Now coming to the check balance thread. So this is check balance thread. Here the same thing we are going to print, and this is just printing the initial balance available in the account using this amount variable. So that's it. Now we'll run this program and check for the output. Now banking application withdraw thread started. So the first thread that has been started is withdraw thread. Now thread priority normal, amount to be withdrawn is, for example, 1000, balance is 1500. Now enter to continue. Now deposit thread, for example, if I deposit 500 again, now the balance is 2000. Now the check balance thread that has been started, that displays the balance amount as 2000. This is the first program that demonstrates the concept of threading in C#. Now come to the second one, that is achieving a synchronization in threading. So synchronization means if one thread is usually if you don't use the synchronization in threads have condition called race condition, and they overlap each other, and the output produced will be consists of the result of the two threads. So to avoid that condition, we are going to use the synchronization techniques using this lock, such that helps us to keep a thread in a waiting condition until another thread is executed. So that's the thing we're going to use here. Now we have a class called printer class. So printer has to read the data from the file and write the data, right? So these operations have to be monitored, like they have to be synchronized as first while reading the file you cannot write into the file, or while writing into the file you cannot read the file simultaneously. So to achieve that, I have used two threads. The first one is to read the file, and second one is to write the file. So p represents the object of this class, and I have passed the method name into the thread start class. Fine. So once you start the threads, so I have enclosed this in lock keyword. So until this thread is finished, then only then we'll be getting the output of this second thread, that is write file. So this is how we can achieve synchronization in threading. Now we'll run this code and check for the output. Here we can see once the writing operation has been finished, only then we are able to read something called reading operation. So this is how synchronization in threads works, and thanks for watching.